Hey, what do it, y'all? Swish Entertainment for y'all tune to all y'all favorite rappers and celebrities. Like, but first, I need this little favor done for y'all. First, please like, comment, subscribe to the video, hit the notification bell as well. That'd be great. Search your channel and put y'all tuned to this story. Now, today we'll once again be talking about the music mogul Diddy, as recently his legal team has made the argument that both drugs and alcohol had contributed to the illegal acts that he had allegedly committed. Diddy's legal team also went on to convey that Diddy's mental capacity was affected by both drug and alcohol usage. Diddy also has a doctor that will testify in defense of his name, who is a Colombian professor. Prosecutors to this point have filed their opposition to Diddy's legal team's line of testimony. In documentation connected to Diddy's case, prosecutors have stated that Diddy wants his doctor that he had hired to testify he had a mental condition bearing on the issue of guilt. Now, details revolving around Diddy's alleged condition and the documents have been altered and edited. TMZ was speaking on documents that they gained possession of, said the documents give information on Diddy's prosecutors, saying prosecutors say legal proceeding requires the defense to give proper notice before offering any evidence of the effects of drugs and alcohol on defendant's memory or cognitive function. This information could serve as a potential clue as to what Diddy's alleged condition may be. Other supportive information found in documentation is Diddy's daughter that he had hired, who will give potential testimony, could serve as evidence that Diddy has an inability to maintain control over his behavior, according to prosecutors. With Diddy's legal team having alleged the defendant was intoxicated during the alleged freak-offs, that has now been brought into question in terms of whether Diddy was sober or not during his interactions with the alleged victims. Diddy and the federal indictment issued against him has already been accused of having drugged the alleged victims in the alleged freak-offs. Prosecutors have given their perspective on Diddy's doctor's opinion on whether he was impacted by drugs or alcohol, saying that is irrelevant. In documents garnered by TMZ, prosecutors also made sure to point out that doctors did not personally perform an examination of Diddy. The doctor's potential testimony would instead be based on his experiences with other people. Prosecutors have also pushed for the cancellation of a testimony that will be given by a forensic video expert regarding the Cassie Ventura video, which would show Diddy assaulting her. This horrific act, of course, having been carried out at a Los Angeles hotel in the year 2016. Either way, the judge in this case has determined that the video footage involving both Diddy and Cassie Ventura will be used as evidence. Diddy, as stated many times before, is currently being held in confinement at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn. Diddy, up to this point, has made 4 attempts to get bail, offering up to $50 million in exchange for his freedom, but was denied each time. Diddy's next upcoming court trial date will be on May 5th, in which Cassie Ventura will be present to testify against him, along with 3 other unidentified individuals. We out of school. Capos, you know what y'all think in the comments. Are you all looking forward to the next upcoming court trial hearing for the music mogul Diddy? Are you all to believe that this upcoming court trial hearing will take a significant leap in this case, given the key figures will be present? And to cap that out, do you all think that it will be proven that Diddy had carried out acts of sexual assault, freak-offs, and sex trafficking against his alleged victims in this case? Let all that be known in the comments, y'all. That's gonna do it. I'm out.